You ever wonder what separates a successful business from one that just gets by? It's not always about a revolutionary product or service. Often, it's about the financial backbone that supports it. Think about a business in a state as dynamic and diverse as California. The economy is a beast, and a lot of businesses are looking for a banking partner that's not just big, but smart. So, what makes Poppy Bank a go-to for so many California businesses? It starts with an understanding that every business is unique. While big, national banks offer a one-size-fits-all approach, Poppy Bank prides itself on tailoring solutions. They're a local bank, and they leverage that local expertise to create custom plans for businesses. Whether it's a small manufacturer needing a flexible line of credit, a commercial real estate developer, or a business looking for a specific SBA loan, they have the knowledge and the products to meet those needs. This isn't just about a checking account, it's about building a relationship. Beyond personalized service, there's the speed and efficiency that can make or break a deal. We've all heard the stories of loan applications getting lost in the shuffle at large banks. Poppy Bank has built a reputation for its streamlined process, from quick loan application turnaround to a hassle-free closing. In a fast-moving market like California, being able to act quickly on an opportunity is everything. And finally, it's about financial strength. Poppy Bank is rated 5 stars by Bauer Financial and has been recognized as one of the strongest financial institutions in the country. This level of stability gives businesses peace of mind, knowing their money is safe with a reliable partner. It's a combination of personalized service, local knowledge, and proven financial strength that makes Poppy Bank a compelling choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.